Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can tell, we're up here at Wheeler Pass, 7,700 feet up. Well, majority of our crew just left. We got the rest of the Grand Cherokee, the original Grand Cherokees that invited me, but we came all the way up here. As you guys can see, the other crew. So, seriously guys, check out this view. Like, this is where we are. It's cool. It's definitely worth to come up, check it out. It's a somewhat slightly difficult trail, but you can make it up. But if you guys want to see how I got up here, watch the whole video. All right, let's get to it. I don't know. So, this is how our day begins. The girls are awake. Say hi.
Hi.
Mommy's letting the doggy do stuff. Yeah. It's really early in the morning. Earlier than any of us would like to wake up. Me and that woman over there probably got no sleep. And
I got it.
These two probably got a lot of sleep, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we got a fun adventure plan. And we're meeting up with a bunch of other people. I don't know any of these other people. They don't know me, so should be fun. Girls get to have some fun. We get to do some stuff. The sun is over there, still rising.
Dad,
And
the other people know your name. You're called Daddy Vlog.
ah, thanks. Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? You guys don't mind this? I'll blur all your faces.
We're good.
How you doing, guys?
I don't care about that.
All right, cool. Am I the newest one? Like, after seeing all the pictures from everybody else, I'm like, I think I'm the newest rig out of everybody.
I mean, we're pretty new, so we haven't really got together much.
I don't know. There's not. I've seen a lot of dudes in town, but this is like the very first group. So,
Yeah, I figured, you know what, might as well make a group.
hey, you got to do something, right?
Exactly. I'm tired of going out with the Rangers, man. I always get to see how the
It's okay. I'm a Toyota owner, so I have to switch trucks to roll with them sometimes.
I'm gonna grab something right here at the subway real quick, and then I'll be ready to head out.
No, you're good. We're fueled up. We're ready to go. So whenever you guys are good. Cool?
I'm ready to head up.
All right. So it should be fun. Got a bunch of older gens with us. I'm like the newest guy here. So it's windy. It's really freaking windy. But they're gonna grab some food, and yeah, this should be fun. So we'll see what happens. All right, cool. If you want to. All right, so we're out here. This group is actually a lot bigger than originally planned. We got a lot of rigs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 Grand Cherokees, and then literally everybody else go through this trail. You guys will see the trail at the very beginning of the video, but don't worry about it. So yeah, let's take a walk around. Let's do a quick walkthrough of all these rigs. Hey, how's it going?
All right, how are you?
Vlad.
Craig.
Nice to meet you, Craig.
Nice to meet you.
I like your taco.
Thank you.
How's it going?
Good.
Vlad.
Brian.
Nice to meet you, Brian.
How's it going?
You know, it's another day in paradise. All you can ask for.
Have you done this run before?
One other time.
Oh, okay.
One other time. So we'll see how it goes.
Well, see how it goes.
Yeah. It's a pleasure talking to you, Brian.
Have a good one.
Have a better one. How's it going, gentlemen? How's it going? Vlad.
Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Jackson.
Jackson. Oh, hello. What's your name?
Chloe. That's not alive. It's not alive. You don't have to kill it.
How's it going, Vlad?
Good. Vlad, nice to meet you. Jack.
Nice to meet you, Jack.
Vlad and Perry.
Nice to meet you, Perry.
This is Chloe.
Hi, Chloe.
Evidently, she likes microphones though.
So does mine. That's why I got to keep it as high as possible. So, just met some people, some cool people, chill people. About to go on this trail, and hopefully it's as exciting as we expect it to be. should be good. We got snow-capped mountains, so this trail should be cool. We got a lot of rigs. It's gonna take some time to get through everything, but it should be good. So enjoy the ride. All right, the trail's begun. I gotta jump in, and yeah, we gotta get going. So that camera right there is getting some views, but if you guys can see, you see that snow-capped mountain up there? My ceramic tint is showing up on my on the camera. Oh man, it's like hopefully that camera looks just fine, but we're gonna keep on rolling. The woman's excited. The girls seem excited. You girls excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. The Doge is first drive through here, so hopefully she enjoys it. But we're just gonna keep on rolling. We're rolling. So what do you think going with all these guys?
It's pretty exciting. It's different.
Yeah. So we decided to stop to take a photo op. I don't know, this is what happens when you don't have a DSLR. Right over there's a pack of wild horses just hanging out. So everybody decided to stop. Take some pictures, be able to see them from a distance. The girls like them. The woman loves them, so she's happy. What do you want to say, honey?
We can't even see the horses.
You can't see the horses?
No.
Why not?
We can't even see them. You said they're little and we can't even see them.
They're brown. They're brown. They're all the way out there.
Yeah, it's eating.
Yeah, you see it. You see it eating. Yo, you guys see that? All the way up there? That blue Jeep is just coming down. This camera does not do justice because it just looks like such a steep angle, but man, he is just coming down. Oh, that looks awesome. This is why you need a DSLR sometimes, is to be able to see this coming down. It's really windy up here too. It's like super windy. But yeah, some of the crew has already dipped out. Apparently that red Hummer you guys saw at the beginning has a cracked radiator, so they gotta go down as slow as possible. Hopefully you guys can hear me and I don't have to yell like this. She's calm, they're fine. Yeah, it's exciting. I just gotta pull the Jeep down a little bit. So, we made it back. The family is back. Harmony, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Mommy, did you have fun?
Yes.
DT, did you have fun? No? Okay. Well, apparently the baby didn't have fun. The puppy decided to throw up in the car. That was her first off-road trip, but yeah, we're back home. We grabbed some Jack in the Box because that's literally the best thing we can think of at a time like this. We didn't decide to stay or do anything, so. But Jeep is dirty. It's really dirty. It's all scratched up too, if you guys can see all these scratches. But it was worth it. It was fun. I know I didn't get a whole ton of footage, but hopefully whatever I got turns out good. But had a good time. The trip was great. Wheelers Pass was great, except for the group that left us, but that's okay. Who cares? Don't care. Don't care. I cry a little, just a little tip there. But yeah, if you guys liked the video, thanks. Comment, like, subscribe. Harmony, tell them to subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
I can't stay.